Okay, this is my welcome video for Algebra 2, Advanced Algebra 2 for the 2023-2024 school year. This is for parents in case you can't make it to back to school night and just catch the main talking points that I want to go over with you. My name is Mr. Evans. This is my 21st year teaching high school math, all 21 years in Prince William County. This is actually my 5th year at Patriot. I have taught Algebra 2, pre-calculus, dozens of years. So I also teach pre-calc AB, so I know what the kids need to do to go on to the next level. My contact information, evansdj@pwcs.edu, or call the school number 703-594-3020. Okay, if you need to reach out to me at any time, any concerns that you have, please do. Don't hesitate. I want to hit the main 4 things that probably are on everybody's minds: grades, calculator, retakes, and Canvas. Okay, grades in Algebra 2, 80% are summative, 20% are formative. The way formative grades work, okay, in my class, I give out a big packet at the beginning. Not big, it could be anywhere from 30 to 50 questions, somewhere in there that covers the main things that we are going to learn in that unit, main things that the kids are going to be assessed on. Students can be working on that packet as they go, or they can do it the day before the review. All right, the formative is due the day of the review, okay? All right, because we're going to go over it, and I will answer questions, and then the following class period will be the summative. So it is due that day, okay? All right, in order to retake, the formative work has to be done, okay? So if you don't do the review, you don't get the retake, okay? We'll get to that in a second. I'm a very straightforward teacher. What you see is what you get. My goal is to present the material and teach your kids, how to do the math, but also how to think through the math. That's sort of my goal. So I'm trying to expose them to as many things during class to help them do that. Summatives, 80%, okay? If students need to retake summatives, they can do 2 per quarter in Algebra 2, Advanced Algebra 2. They need to do the formative work, and they need to come in during flex and do the corrections on the summative they're retaking. Okay, and show me those corrections. Everybody has a bad day, so we want those retakes available for students, to make up if they have a bad day or just need extra help with the lesson. Retakes take place during flex. All right, most of the retakes take a long time, so we need to make sure that they have enough time to complete those. Calculator, big question is what calculator. Probably about 70% of this course is no calculator, but if you're to get one, the Casio. This is a great example of a Casio that you could use. You can use TI. That is available. Mostly my teaching though will be out of Casio, but I would say most of the class is pretty much no calculator. So you don't really need to buy an expensive calculator. I will have little 4-function calculators in class, the old school type ones, in case we need to do some computation. Last thing I want to finish on is Canvas, okay? I want to show you real briefly what we have in Canvas for students, okay? The big thing is in there you have the UPS flow, which describes what we're going to learn in that unit, okay? What also we have are video lessons, and if you click on the video lesson, this is what we're going to be going over in class on that particular day. As you can see, it is me doing the video lesson. So if you're ever absent or you need help with a lesson, you can go back and watch it. Okay, we don't have a flipped classroom. That's not the point of this. This is a resource for students to access if they need it at a later time. And there is also notes, if you click right below that, of the things that you can download these notes. Okay, all right. Those notes are available. So that is available for you on Canvas. I also put the formative that we're going to be doing, okay? All right, so you can click that. And if for some reason you didn't get it in class or you lost it, that's available for you at home. I'm really looking forward to a good school year. In Algebra 2, Advanced Algebra 2, about probably 70% of it, 75% of it is algebra or pre-calculus based concepts. The last 25% is trig based concepts. the kids from this class either go on to Pre-Calc BC or Pre-Calc AB is usually the track. It is a rigorous course, but if your kids show up every day, they give effort and they prepare for the summatives. Like I said, I'm a very straightforward teacher. I think they're going to do very well, and my kids have done very well in the past. So if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to give me a call or an email, and we're looking forward to a great school year.